Here's our beginner's guide for building business credit for your EIN that's like not linked to you personally. Look, if you're looking to tap into business credit to grow your business, then I'm about to give you the step-by-step guide with all the details you need to know in a very short video training to successfully build business credit. Yes, this is the same tips and tactics that have helped us help over 50,000 business owners just like you build business credit, and I'm gonna reveal all of it right now, step by step. We got a lot to dive into, so let's get started. So when it comes to successfully building business credit, I have two goals for you. We gotta be able to build business credit quickly, and we also have to make it easy as well. By making it easy and fast, it helps you tap into unlimited access to capital to grow your business through the business credit building system. Now, in order to do this, you've gotta follow a series of steps in order. Look, everybody that fails building business credit, everybody follows the steps out of order. All you need to know is that there are steps to build business credit, and if you follow those steps precisely, you're going to be successful with tapping into unlimited access to capital through the business credit building system. So what are those steps? Let's dive into step one right now. So the first step with building business credit is you got to become appealing to lenders. You got to be desirable. You got to be credible to lenders. Now, Entrepreneur Inc., Score, they all talk about the same thing, of the importance of credibility currency when it comes to lenders. And lenders are primarily looking at a few different things to determine your credibility. The first of all is your business office. This basically is the address you have for the business, the phone number, the website, the email. It should all be professional email address, a separate address for your business, a separate phone number for your business. How you structure that office environment, having everything separated from you personally, is very important to improving your overall Fundability Foundation. Now, the second aspect is how you set up your business to begin with. The business name not reflecting you're in a high-risk industry, knowing what industry you're in, knowing your SIC code, your NAICS code, setting up a desirable entity type like a corporation or an LLC. By doing these things, you structure the type of business that makes you lendable. Then you tie that into having a business office that reflects your credibility. Now you're getting a long way to establishing a pristine business foundation. Which brings me to the third aspect of this business fundability, which really has to do with kind of like business banking. It's having a separate bank account set up for your business, having a merchant account set up with your ability to accept credit cards from Visa, MasterCard, American Express, and Discover. It also includes how you actually are set up with the reporting agencies, getting your DUNS number with Dun & Bradstreet, getting your BIN number with Experian, for example. Getting all of this established goes a long way to helping you basically look bankable and lendable to lenders. So if you've done this right, you accomplished step one. You built a strong fundability foundation. Now you look desirable to lenders. Now we can start getting you approved for real usable credit. And that brings us to the second step, which is getting initial credit. Now, there's two ways to do it. The first of which is called Credit Line Hybrid. Now, with Credit Line Hybrid, you can get up to $150,000 in credit lines, many of which report to the reporting agencies, and you can get it as a startup business even if you don't have revenue or collateral. All you need is good personal credit or a guarantor, family member, friend, investor, somebody else that has good personal credit to be a signer. If you have good credit or a signer does, you can qualify for Credit Line Hybrid, and that will help you jumpstart your business credit building. Now, the second way to build initial credit are called starter vendors. Now, starter vendors are unique because they do two things. They'll give you credit when you have none already, and they'll also report the credit they give you to the reporting agencies. 9 out of 10 vendors do not report the credit they give you to the business credit reporting agency. So we've got to get you credit with vendors that do, and that's exactly what starter vendors will do. Places like Granger, places like Uline will give you credit when you have none. They report it to the reporting agencies, and when you have about 5 of these accounts, you'll have a solid business credit profile and score that will help you move on to step 3. Want access to more starter vendors? Then go to creditsuite.com/EIN, and you can grab our free guide there at creditsuite.com/EIN, which gives you access to more starter vendors and a more in-depth dive in to each one of these steps. Now, the next step is building business credit with more vendors. Now, vendors are credit issuers that will give you credit to buy like their products and services. So examples include, well, every major retailer that exists, from Staples to Office Depot to Home Depot to Lowe's to Sam's Club, Costco, even Macy's and Nordstrom, Best Buy, John Deere, they all offer business credit. So whether you're looking for computers from HP, from Apple, or from Dell, or you're looking for home improvement supplies or contracting supplies from Lowe's or Home Depot, all of these sources will approve you for credit lines of $10,000, $20,000, $30,000, $50,000 or higher to be able to use to grow your business. and you'll start to get access as soon as you have 5 vendors on your business credit reports. So once you've completed step 2 and you've got that initial credit, now we move on to getting credit with all these vendors and all these credit lines we're using to grow our business. As we continue to do so, that brings us to the final step in the business credit building process. And that final step is getting auto financing and universal credit without a personal credit check and guarantee. Look, personal guarantees are your choice. They should strategically be used to grow your business. A lot of credit issuers don't require them if you're following the steps I'm outlining in this training, and some do. But by getting all the credit you can without the guarantee, you can strategically use it for when you may need it for like an SBA loan. So at this stage, in this step, we're getting auto financing without a personal guarantee and without a personal credit check. So for example, one of our clients, Christine, got $185,000 in financing at Ford. Another one of our clients got $350,000 in financing, all of this without a personal guarantee and credit check. Look, the sky's the limit. Whether you're buying a primary vehicle or a fleet of vehicles, you can use auto financing without a guarantee and credit check in this stage to be able to grow your business. Now, you're also able to get universal credit. And universal credit's like a name that we use to call like Visa cards, MasterCards, American Express cards that you can use anywhere. It takes about 14 accounts to get to this step. But when you have about 14 accounts reporting on your business credit reports, now you can get auto financing, now you can start to get universal credit, and that really is like throwing the fuel on the fire that you need to be able to grow your business. So that's a brief overview of the steps to build your business credit. Now don't forget, grab our free guide at creditsuite.com/EIN, which goes more in depth into these steps. Also, take a moment to register at creditsuite.com/consult. At creditsuite.com/consult, you can schedule time with our team and we'll actually help you improve your fundability. We'll tell you what's wrong and what needs to be fixed to qualify for more credit financing. We'll give you our best tips and tactics to build your business credit, and we'll throw in a free finance assessment as well, which tells you all the loans and credit lines you can get like right now. Look, a lot of entrepreneurs don't even think there's any way they can get money, and they do a finance assessment with our team and they find out there's actually several types of financing they can qualify for. So make sure you register for that free consult so we can talk to you about how to improve your business credit, how to get more money, and all the money you can get now. Did you get value from this training? If so, make sure you like and subscribe and keep your eye out for our next training. We're talking about more cool ways to get the money you need to grow your business.